lineup almost exclusively consists of rear-drive sedans. One last bastion of the old front-drive Caddy exists in the XTS. And it looks like the old-school XTS isn't going anywhere, since it just got a refresh that makes it look more like the CT6 and the CTS. This of course is a bit ironic considering the fact that the CT6 will look different in the near future. Until then, though, this update does make the XTS look more up-to-date. The main part of the headlights end higher up on the front fascia, while a strip of LED accent lights waterfall down the front bumper. The grille has slightly more sculpted slats, and the front badge has been scaled down a bit. There are no longer creases that unify the main grille and the lower one in the bumper, which help the car appear lower and wider than the outgoing model. At the back, the license plate position has been moved down to the bumper, and the trunk lid has more lines and creases. The taillights now have horizontal elements that extend toward the middle of the car. The exhaust finishers and the reverse light also look larger and more prominent now. The refreshed XTS also brings a couple of new trim options. There are new wheel designs both in 19 and 20-inch sizes. Inside, XTS buyers will be able to choose from 3 new color and upholstery combinations. 2 of them, however, are exclusive to the platinum trim level and come with semi-aniline leather seats. There's not really anything new mechanically with the 2018 XTS. The only major change seems to be a new tire design that is quieter and provides a smoother ride. Otherwise, the XTS will remain available with either the standard 3.6-liter V6 making 304 horsepower, or the optional 410 horsepower twin-turbocharged 3.6-liter V6 in the V-Sport model. The standard engine comes with either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, and the V-Sport is only available with all-wheel drive. Pricing has yet to be released for the 2018 model year.